Magic City. Aha. First one in. Very, very excited for this one. Bato, welcome. Got a little beard mail unboxing. I'm waiting for this to come in all day. And then it's funny, as I was out walking my dog, and literally as I was walking, I saw the UPS truck drive past me. I was like, well, time to kick it into overdrive, start running. I ended up having to run. Get home and literally got to the back of my house as the delivery guy was dropping it off. I grabbed it, took it inside. Came right down. Oh, bam, what's up? How you doing? What's up, Nez? Welcome, welcome. Got some beard mail. Damn, Nez, how you guys doing? Let me know. Since you just joined in. Magic City's the first one in for my Magic City unboxing. I do have to say though, if you're international, just be warned. It's definitely costs a lot to be international, shall we say. Yeah. Beard mail. So we got Magic City. Pretty new company out of Miami, Florida. Been wanting to check them out for a while. Waltimus, welcome. Yeah, I got some pretty awesome beard mail. Been talking to Mike, the owner of Magic City, a lot recently. We're also going to be doing a podcast episode together in February. So, let's see. The box struggle. What's going on here? Dude, so messing stuff up. Oh yeah. Magic City. Greeted with the products right up top. Ooh, I can already smell good things. First, this will also be on YouTube. From the people, so shout out to anybody watching this on YouTube. Magic City sticker. Really, really cool. The logo. Really nice logo. I like this logo a lot. And then, ooh. I think that's an ostrich. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, because they use ostrich oil, I believe, in their products. Yeah, so a couple awesome stickers. Then we've got Key West beard butter, and then Little Havana beard butter. Yup. Then we've got Desert Beardsman? Yep, ostrich, yeah. Oh, hold up. And Mike threw in another sticker hidden in the inside the receipt. That's fire. Very like Miami Vice style. So yeah, a couple more awesome stickers. Yeah, right. So I also ordered a t-shirt that's coming in separate shipment. And I'll probably have that by the time I podcast with Mike. Alright, so we got. I think this will make it a big mess. Yeah, I think the oil's just getting there. Oh! So Mike said that he would surprise me with an extra oil, just because, you know, generous guy, international shipping, all of the above. So he's threw in Atlantis for me here. So this is their I think one of their best-selling scents, Mike was saying. Super cool bottles, too. 1 ounce. Man, autofocus never fails to be satisfying. And then, let's see what else we got buried in here. Key West beard oil to go with the butter that I got. And then we have the Little Havana oil. So let's get the plastic off of these, and we will react to these scents. hidden secrets. Cool. Alright, so I'm excited for all of these, but especially this one, Little Havana. It's like a cigar, like a whole bunch of different things that sound awesome. Oh wait, I think it's actually on the side. Yeah, so it's Cuban cigar, amber, whiskey, clove, and wood notes. This oil is super thick right now because it's friggin' cold. It's like borderline solid, look at that. It's funny. Ooh. Yeah, definitely get the woodiness. Cigars in there too. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, so these are gonna have to warm up because they're a little solid right now. Next, we've got Key West. It's always nice when companies include the scent profile on the side of the bottle. Helps when I'm doing these live unboxings. Yeah, so it's super solid right now. Yeah, oh, that's a fun scent. Mango, coconut, lime, pineapple, sugar, and more. That's awesome. Yeah, look how solidified that is. From the stupid cold. Friggin' Canadian winters. Alright, then let's check out Atlantis. This is the surprise one that Mike included. Ooh. What's up, Bushy? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, so this one's a mysterious oceanic oud. Bushy just unboxing some stuff from Magic City. So these oils are running you $22. I believe the butters are also $22. They also have balm, but I didn't pick up any balms just because I'm not really a balm guy. I use butter more often. Yeah, let's see what the butter looks like. Seal for your protection. Ooh. Man, this little Havana scent is a winner. I like that. So that's what the butter looks like. Ingredients: shea butter, mango butter, carrier oil blend, which is ostrich oil, coconut oil, MCT, shaolin, argan oil, jojoba oil, and fragrance essential oil blends. And then made in Miami, Florida. Yeah, these are really cool scents. I will be testing these out for the next little while. Giving them a look. Yeah, so that's what we got. Plastic. So yeah, a couple butters, and then Atlantis as the extra oil that he threw in. Thanks again to Mike for doing that. Key West and Little Havana. Yeah, so be set up all nice. And then stay tuned for some product photos, which I will be doing probably immediately after this. Yeah, and then pretty epic stickers. Add these to the collection because I'm going to be buying a new laptop in the next little while. So gathering up stickers to put on my laptop. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you're watching YouTube, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and then also check out Magic City on Instagram, their website as well. Yeah, just want to do this quick live. Thanks everybody for hopping in live as well. Yeah, shout out Magic City. Stay tuned for podcasts with Mike, the owner of Magic City, coming soon. I'll probably try and time this unboxing to drop around when my podcast drops with Mike, depending on just timing of unboxings and all that stuff. Yeah, peace out, y'all.